Are you struggling to lose weight? Well, look no further. In this video, we will show you how to prepare the amazing Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, a powerful recipe that can help you shed those extra pounds. Stay tuned and get ready to discover a delicious and effective way to reach your weight loss goals. To make the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, you will need a few key ingredients. Make sure you have fresh ginger, a lemon, half a cucumber, a handful of spinach, and a bunch of parsley. These ingredients are packed with nutrients and are known for their weight loss benefits. Now that you have gathered all the ingredients, it's time to prepare the juice. Start by peeling and chopping the ginger. Then, cut the lemon and cucumber into smaller pieces. Add the ginger, lemon, cucumber, spinach, and parsley into a blender. Blend everything together until you get a smooth and consistent mixture. Not only is the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice delicious, but it also offers numerous health benefits. The ginger in the juice helps boost your metabolism and aids in digestion, while the lemon provides a refreshing source of vitamin C. Cucumber and spinach are low in calories and high in fiber, promoting satiety and weight loss. Lastly, parsley is known for its detoxifying properties. Together, these ingredients create a power-packed juice for weight loss. Congratulations! You have successfully prepared the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Incorporate this juice into your daily routine and watch yourself get closer to your weight loss goals. Stay consistent and combine the juice with a healthy diet and regular exercise for optimal results. Let's toast to a healthier and leaner you.